And now, all that is really left for us to do is to thoroughly clean this entire area right here, and then move all the way up to there, tucked in the corner by the sprinkler head. For the time being, I will only be performing core aeration in this specific section of the yard. This is basically the area where I did the aeration, the area where problems continued even after I did 3 aerations and a partial leveling with sand. The area that has not received any treatment is perfectly fine. Look at the cores. This is how they look. Can you see them? It worked! In some areas the soil was wetter and it didn't pull them out very well, or they crumbled, but overall it's okay. What am I going to do now? I am going to carefully put down 100% pure sand, and then I will try my very best to get all of it into these tiny aeration holes. Right here in this spot, you can see them much better now that they are out in the sunlight. After carefully spreading the soil and sand across the surface and going over the area once with the heavy roller, I am now going to prepare a precise 1-to-1 mixture of peat and sand. Once that is ready, I will apply it to the ground to do the final leveling for a smooth finish. I will try to identify the specific areas that are currently less even and less flat. Then, probably tomorrow, I will begin to seed and do the top dressing. The aerated area is only filled with sand right now, simply because it needs quite a bit more sand to be properly leveled. On the other hand, in this area you can actually see the shadow from the fence. It literally shows you the area with the longest period of shade. Exactly the area I aerated and added sand to was the most sensitive one. After preparing the 1-to-1 mix of sand and peat, I will first try to level here. I raised the level of the paving a bit, by about 5 centimeters compared to how it was before, because it had sunk a lot, and then I will gradually work my way from here to the back, trying as much as possible to make the surface as flat as I can. After this operation, I will roll it very well, and if necessary, I will apply an additional layer to make it as level as possible. The way I did it on this section, I will do the same across the entire surface.